Hello class, thank you for coming to my week 6 discussion board for MPA 530. My name is Stephen Ochoa. So for this week, we will be reviewing two topics. The first are the revenue sources of the city of Hoopa Valley, which was the city that I chose to focus on for my budget. And secondly, we'll be analyzing these revenue sources and discussing whether or not they are regressive or progressive taxes. So here we see the city of Hoopa Valley. This is the face page of their budget for fiscal year 2023-2024. So here we can see a pie chart for the city of Hoopa Valley. This is the revenue sources for the general fund. Here we can see that 40% of the general fund comes from sales and use taxes. 17% comes from SB 130 vehicle licensing fees, which the city of Hoopa Valley gets from the state. And then the third source is property taxes, which makes up 14.78% of general fund revenue. And just to reiterate, here is a sheet of the listed revenue sources, the top three for the city of Hoopa Valley. So in order to analyze sales taxes, I read the journal article, Yes, Consumption Taxes Are Regressive by Chernick and Richovsky. In this article, it pretty much suggests that sales taxes are regressive. They did a study in the Michigan area involving several families, and what they determined was that lower income families spend more of their income on basic necessities. This could include meals, fuel, and services. Um, and as a result, there is a high tax burden on lower income families. However, with higher income households, they spend less of their income on taxes, meaning that families with higher incomes don't have to worry as much about taxes as much as lower income families have to. So therefore, it was determined in this article that sales taxes were more regressive than anything. In order to study property taxes, I read the article, Are Local Property Taxes Regressive, Progressive, or What? Written by Oates and Feischl. They start off by saying that on face value, property taxes can appear regressive. This is because property taxes are based on the value of the assessed property, not the income of the owner. Lower income families may spend more on housing related expenses such as taxes compared to higher income counterparts, which don't have to worry as much about these taxes. So this is where they are regressive by nature. However, there are some instances where property taxes can be progressive, and this is where investors purchase homes, invest money to the home, and they try to resell the home or flip the home or rent the home. Now, when this happens, the investor is still responsible for paying taxes, and they have to pay capital gains. Therefore, in these situations where the investor comes into play, these taxes may seem progressive. Thank you, and have a great week.